That was a tricky day at the office. So the plan here was to create a split. Okay, we're here at the hive that we righted 3 weeks ago. I'll take you in so you can see it. Just angle the camera up a little bit. And that to me is looking like a really healthy hive now. I'm going to try and split this today. So I've got my stand over here. I'm going to put a nuke box on. I'm going to put some frames in it, see if I can find the queen and cage her and pop her in there. I need to do an inspection of this just to see where everything is. Okay, let's get the camera set up and we'll be back. Right, I've got my queen cage here. I'll keep that attached to my pocket. And this is my nuke box. And I've got in here some feed, which is a pound of honey just let down with a pound of water. So that's a 50-50 mix, and that's just to give them something to keep them going if I can't find too many stores in the main brood box. Normally you should find some stores on the frames. And here's the box. I can see a problem straight away. I'm putting in half a frame here so that the bees can do a little bit of work to build that out. And you can see what's happened with the other one in there. I'm going to have to correct that before I go any further. That's a pain in the bum. Oh dear. Super on here at the minute, which I need to just check. So this super was completely eaten out 3 weeks ago, so it'd be interesting to see what we've got inside here. So just put the crown board down for a minute. What's this? A little snail. Oh dear, they gummed him all up. Oh no, he doesn't look very well at all. Okay. Okay. Let's just see how they're doing filling up this super. You can see there's capped here, and that's capped all the way up to there. So there's a little bit more to go in there. I'll leave that on for a little while. Oh, that does feel quite heavy. Okay, we've got our queen excluder here. Alright, girls. There we go. Oh, this does look gummed on. Oh, they've done a terrific job here. It's actually on the wrong way. I should have noticed that when I was here last time. These should run in same line as the frames. Makes it easier for the bees, and oh, they've really gummed this up. We've put lots of brace comb on here, and that's going to cause me some issues. Oh well, I'm here now. I'll have to review the video. I can't actually remember if I did actually take off this queen excluder when I was here before. I just think I righted the thing and let it get on with what it was doing. God, this brace comb's been here a while. Do you know what? I don't think I did take this off. Wow, this is going to be a job. Okay. Sorry, girls. Oh, jeez. feel that. This is one of the hives that we didn't really have any access to during lockdown. So, oh hello, I think we've got some larvae in here. That's moth larvae. Queen excluder's gonna need to be cleaned. Down there for now. Goodness me, that is absolutely gummed up. Let's see what we've got here. Nice and gently. So we're not actually even into the brood, this is the super. Okay, so there's just honey in here. Pretty sure. I'll check another couple. Let's see if we've not got the queen anywhere here. That would be an issue. Wow, look at that. That is solid, solid honey. Wow. Should really take this and do something with it rather than leave it here. Certainly at this time of year, I need to give them a clean super. But this is absolutely rammed. Right, okay, well I'm not gonna disturb this one anymore. I'm gonna get right down to the brood and I need to check to see whether the queen's in there, but I'm gonna put some smoke into here so push the bees down a bit. Can't remember the last time this was split here. Oh, goodness. Let me just give you a shot from the camera what we've got here. See, I'm taking frames up on the brood nest. I'm going to try and avoid that if I can. This is gummed up. That's not brilliant. Yeah, I'm going to have to clean that off the base now. Bit of a 2 and 8. Rhyming slang for a steak. I think I'll pop this over here. He's not very happy, bees. Pop them on the step there. We'll get focusing on some of this honey on the front. There we go. There's a little one. Okay. These have got very strong exoskeletons, so look at all the brood here. These are getting to the stage where they really are crammed out. So I'm going to use a little trick here. Whenever I take a frame out, I try and keep them as calm as possible by laying something like this on top. Oh, there you go. There we go. There we are. Okay. Cool. Right, let's work from the back here. Trying to get this frame out to free up all the others. Okay, that's coming slowly, slowly. There we go. Quick look for the old Majesty. Okay. Not there. That there for now. Okay, not seeing her. This is what I'm going to do. Toppolize this well and truly up here. Okay, that should just slip back in there nicely. Gently, girls. There you go. Wow. Got some good stores in there. Okay. Right. Let's see if we can find this. Oh, there's some drone brood there. Okay, there's some brood in there that's not capped yet. It looks like drone brood, to be fair. I'm taking that away. This one and see if there's any. Okay, so there is some brood in there. Lots of stores, lots of capped brood. I think that might be one that we'll take actually. So we'll put an empty frame instead. That'll also give them a bit of extra space to play around. Queen in this one, but again that's another good one. It's got some stores on it, got lots of capped brood, plus less stores on this one. I'll take it nonetheless. Put this half on there. Okay, we've got this one, I'll just move that to there. And I'll just slide this off one. Queen. There he goes, calm down. Big old drones. Many workers. between there. To get rid of that. There's some good workers on there, so I'll shake that into the and there's also some wet honey in there as well, so of these junk on the face. There you go. There you are. No way this is swarm. I think she's just evading. So again, the comb's really grown out there. Right. Let's take some of this gum off here. Sorry girls. Doesn't make this easy. Right, so that needs to go back to the front. This one again. Okay, so there's some nice stores in there. I cannot see that queen. I might just have to take a chance. It might even be in the super. put this middle one in here, and I've got another frame to go in here, and then I think I'm pretty much done here. Can't find the queen. I might just have another quick look for her. There's no harm in it. It's always better to do it whilst you've got the hive open. Quite okay at finding the queen, but clearly not today. One more frame out of there. Let's set this one in here. Right. Take one more frame out here. Probably this one here. It's got a nice load of stores in it. You never know, the queen might be on there. Okay, we've given them a bit more space. I'm not sure that that's actually going to be too brilliant for them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go away and clean up this queen excluder and then come back. That way. Queen excluder going on. So I'm going to take a chance here. So I can't see any brood in this super here, so I'm assuming the queen's not in there. So I'm going to pop this back on. Super that's full of honey, so I've just swapped them around now, so this is right at the very top. Okay girl, in you go. That's it. Right, I'm just going to close this back up. No point going through this anymore. I don't think I'm going to find anything new. It is what it is. Right, so we've got the queen excluder set so that the if she is in here, if I inspect this again, I will see some brood. But I'm seriously guessing she's in here. Right, let's spin you round. So I'm going to set up this nuke now. So I've got the frames that I wanted in this nuke. I'm going to pop it here. Get me bee brush. Let's get them all in there. Let's get that crown board on. I'll tell you what, give them a little bit of a feed treat, eh? How about that? Sorry girls for being such a disrupted old git. Let's just square that off. Let's put the lid on. Oh, just take that off for a second. Yeah, we don't want to get them in there, do we? Observation, dear boy. Observation. Hey. You don't want to trap them in the lid. That wouldn't be a good thing. Give them some food. There we go. There you are. Oh. Mission Right, let's leave them to it. Right, we'll come back in a week's time and check these. Make sure they're all okay. We do have some food in there, they are signalling. Ouch! Just got stung again. Fuckers. Okay, I think that tells me all I need to know. Let me grab my smirk up. Yeah, they're really not very happy at the minute. Okay, we'll leave that, let them do their thing. That was a tricky day at the office. So the plan here was to create a split, and in order to do that I've really got to find the queen, put her in a cage and stick her in my nuke with some stores, some capped brood and possibly some eggs. I saw all the capped brood and the eggs and the stores, but could I find the queen? No way. And the thing is, I had 2 supers and then a queen one super above the brood box and then the super, so I was running a 1.5. But in that brood box, in the super part of the brood box, I couldn't find any eggs, so I've speculatively, oh look, it's still hanging around, I've speculatively put the queen excluder directly over the brood box, and I've left the 2 supers above it, which I think has got all honey in it. So I'm going to visit next week and I'll see if there's any eggs in there. If there are, then I know that I've caught the queen. She's certainly not short of supplies, but it'll be an indication for me. Come on boys, girls rather, leave me alone. See these bees, I'm about 50 yards away from the hive and they're still bugging. The GoPro got stung, how about that? And they're flying at the GoPro now. Crazy. These really are determined little buggers. And this, with this particular hive, I think I might need to requeen it. I'll probably leave that until next year now. What are we, mid-May? Yeah, I'll probably do that next year. But that is definitely something that I should consider, because that would calm the hive down a little bit. They are frantic. They haven't been inspected for a while, so you have to get rid of all that brace comb and you know, and that causes them quite a lot of stress and anxiety, pulling that hive apart after such a long time. So it's not something I like to do. Just didn't have access during lockdown, so it's just really getting back into it here and getting it going. Well, I'm going to wait for these bees to bugger off and then I might just drop the hood of my suit. It wouldn't be the first time I've got in the van and driven away like this. But they are definitely after that GoPro. I've still got my smoker going here, just so that they might get the message that perhaps here isn't where they should be hanging out. Anyway, until next time, take it easy.